So last time, or a couple segments ago, on the Cardano Spotlight, a hashtag Ada Gang, um, I bought like a few $100 of Indigo token here on the channel, and I'm gonna make another buy this week, and we're gonna get up to $1,000 worth of Indie token here on the stream. But the project I want to point out today is called IAGON, and Indie I had said was like the RWA play on Cardano, right? It was a $25 million market cap, and right now Indie is about 1.5 ADA for one Indie token. At the all-time high, you were paying about 14 ADA for one Indie token on a DEX. So, guys, that's, I mean, you know, if Cardano goes to $5 and which I mean, I am thinking it'll go past it. I don't think it'll go much past it. I'm not looking for 10 or 12 this cycle, but let for easy math, let's say ADA goes to $5, and let's say it doesn't quite get to that 14-to-1 ratio. Let's say we get to, I don't know, um 10 10 ADA for one Indie token. Guys, that's like $50 for an Indie token, and it's $1.03 right now. And that's like not even unachievable. It's a $25 million market cap right now. So um that could easily happen, especially since Indie is, and this is all stuff I said the other day, but Indie is combining RWAs, it's tokenized assets on the Cardano, tokenized real world assets on the Cardano blockchain, and they're also incorporating AI agents. So for 5,000 Indie tokens, you can bond to an AI agent that's going to trade uh, on DeFi with your real world assets, and it's going to automate your DeFi trading and scalp you 0.5% a week or something. So there's Indie token. If Indie is the RWA play, on Cardano, IAGON is the Web3 DePin AI play on Cardano. It's the render of Cardano. In other words.
IAGON is?
Yeah, yeah. So come over here to CoinMarketCap, and the total supply is a billion IAGON, and the circulating supply is 376 million. So I mean, there is a lot of unlocks, but we covered this about Indie too, guys. The place where the token supply inflation is really going to hit your bags is in the bear market. That's why it's so much more important to take profits, especially when you get into um, newer coins and lower cap coins, because the token inflation is going to eat you alive in the bear market while the price is also going down. But we've got $104 million market cap, so it's coming in quite a bit higher than Indie, which probably means there's more opportunity in Indie. But if you like the Cardano ecosystem, it's probably a good play to hold both. And we come over here to the about section. It says IAGON is an AI-driven shared storage and compute economy, bridging decentralization with compliance. IAGON's autonomous, innovative cloud service marketplace provides privacy, security, and operational sovereignty for both enterprise and retail consumers, while enabling compliant solutions at the click of a button. Um, and so, we come down here with IAGON cloud storage and computing and web hosting. Businesses and individuals can leverage a network of resource providers to facilitate their needs while remaining compliant with their region of operation. Um, and so we're talking about decentralized, cloud based storage rendering that also integrates AI. Um, that's the render of the Cardano ecosystem, if I've ever heard one. So, I mean, if you believe in Cardano and you think that render is worth, um, you know, investing in, wherever your risk tolerance is. Let's say you think it's worth throwing $5,000 into render token. Um, you should probably think that some percentage of that is worth going into IAGON if you're a big believer in the Cardano ecosystem. So I just thought I'd throw that opportunity at us for tonight's Cardano Spotlight. What do you think, Tyler?
I think the $5,000 to put into IAGON. That's what I think.
now that's crazy talk. I like it though. It
I
gets me
know.
going.
I think render is something to be stick around, and the thing that I like about ADA is they're super loyal to each other. That project, they are always got each other's backs, and they always try to build on honesty, integrity. Because you don't hear a lot of rug pulls on top of ADA. But then you go look at Solana, you're like every coin
Mm,
on top of
yeah.
Solana is a rug pull, and maybe it's because ADA is so complex that only the nerds get it. But hey,
No one's smart enough to pull rugs on Cardano.
maybe that's it. I don't know, man. But a lot of Cardano projects, people are serious, and they don't f around.
Yeah.
They're like, dude, you either get it or you get out. And so I think with IAGON and the market cap it shows, it's the dominant rendering power token on top of ADA, and I think ADA is going to be huge, especially with it being added to the crypto reserves. I
Yeah.
mean, it's just a matter of time, till it starts moving up in dollars. It's I always like to compare a lot of coins to like price movement to like Bitcoin, because I remember when Bitcoin was like $15,000, and it took like weeks to get to go like $1,000 up, $2,000 up, $3,000 up. It was like it felt like a 6 month process. Like it was nail bitingly slow, and then you'd lose it as soon as you get it, and you're like, "Dude, it took so long to get there." But where we're at now with Bitcoin, a lot of people don't remember those times, and you could see Bitcoin's in the sense the price is scalable, so we can move $10,000 in a day.
Yeah.
Like when you're at $16,000, it did not move. The amount of money that people were selling, or people were holding it so tight, you could not get there. So I do believe, like with ADA, when it gets added to the reserves as time goes on, I think the value is just going to keep going up, man. I really do. I think ADA is